Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the first Car City Strength Competition. Today, the strongest cars of Car City will face each other to win the Car City Cup. Beautiful, isn't it? And now, let's greet our champions. They are Super Truck, the hero of Car City, and Billy, the mighty bulldozer. And without further ado, let the games begin. The first test that our champions will face will be to move these Car City citizens. The first one who gets his car to the end of the field wins. Amazing! Super Truck just transformed into an excavator. Ready, set, go! Super Truck seems to be getting ahead. It looks like Billy is having problems. Super Truck is going to win! Attention, Billy is getting the lead. And he wins! Amazing! Super Truck comes next. What a great race! The second game is Sumo Fights. The winner will be the car who gets the other out of the circle. Let the best one win. I can't believe it! Super Truck is the champion of the second game! And he didn't even have to use his strength to win. How smart! And we come to the final game with the two contenders tied in the first position. How exciting! In this game, participants must bring their stone pile to the other side of the stadium. And remember, being smart is as important as being strong. Let's go! Be careful, Billy. I think those are too many rocks. Watch out, Billy! Get away from there! Oh no! Are you okay, Billy? I don't think you can do it alone, Billy. Yes! Super Truck will help you. If you keep going like this, it's going to take forever. You have to come up with something, Super Truck. Extra shovels! Great idea! You're almost done, Super Truck. Oh no, that rock is too heavy. That's right. If you push together, you'll get it out. Yay! You did it! Great teamwork, guys! Ladies and gentlemen, the champion of the Car City Strength Championship is Super Truck! You were right, Super Truck. Today, Billy and you worked as a team, and you both deserve the cup. What a nice day for a drive, right, Super Truck? Wait, is that Jerry crying? What happened, pal? It looks like he lost his wheels somehow, Super Truck. Jerry is sad because he's a racing car. Without wheels, he can't race anymore. Don't worry, Jerry. Super Truck will help you get new tires. Of course! I'm sure you'll find some at Tom's garage. Tom will get you some great new tires, Jerry. But now, you have to find out what's going on, Super Truck. A police car transformation? Great idea, Super Truck! Beware, criminals! Car City's best detective is on the case! All right, Super Truck, let's unravel this mystery. Wow! Everybody is losing their wheels, Super Truck! But who could be behind this crazy mischief? Wow! What was that? Matilda is chasing evil Dr. Zig! What did he do this time? Good call, Super Truck. Matilda might need some help to arrest him. Super Truck, watch out! Phew, that was close. Of course, it was Dr. Zig who stole everybody's tires. Don't worry, Matilda. Super Truck will stop that thug. But you have to be careful, or Dr. Zig might steal your wheels too. A helicopter! Good idea, Super Truck! That's right, Zig. You can't steal Super Truck's wheels if he doesn't have any. Give up. There's nowhere you can hide. Good thinking, Super Truck. Block his way out. Man, he's really hard to get. I think that catching him is not going to be as easy as we thought. Do you have any idea on how to stop him? A grapple hook, of course. This is over, Dr. Zig. Boy, you're really hard to get. But your luck won't last forever. Scared, Dr. Zig? Don't worry, Super Truck will put you down soon. In jail. Wow, Super Truck! Those wheels look swell. Did Tom give them to you? I see. Everyone got some new cool tires. Well, maybe not everyone. Hi, Gary. It's your birthday? And look over there. Happy birthday to you. Come on, blow out the candles. Ready, steady, go! What's going on? Where's the birthday cake? Look there! Crocomile has stolen it! Time to transform! Good thinking. The police will arrest that thief. Super Police Truck to the rescue! Don't let him escape, Super Truck! Watch out! Very good! What a cool pirouette! Crocomile is trying to escape that way. He's going into the tunnel. Oh no, I have a bad feeling about this. Are you going to be able to go through there?
You must go to the tunnel exit before he comes out. Do you think it's time for another transformation? And what transformation do you have in mind? Great idea! As a monster truck, you can go through the park to the exit of the tunnel. Game over! Watch out! We can't let him run away! I think it's time to use the ST-3000. Not so fast, Crocomile! The cake is ours again! Ha ha! Nice try, Crocomile! You won't get it back! Crocomile, you should look behind you! Surprise! Don't let him escape! That's what you get for stealing! Why did you take 2 pieces, Super Truck? Are you sorry for what you've done?
Hey.
Watch out, Super Truck!
Yoo-hoo!
Final lap! Go Super Truck! You won, Super Truck! Well done! Welcome to the Car City Race! Strong competitors are participating. Walter, is it time to give the signal? Are you okay? Matilda is leading the race. Fifth place? You are better than that, Super Truck. Do you have something up your sleeve? Crocomile abandoned the race so quickly. That's a big comeback! A shortcut? That's cheating, Crocomile! Marley is losing control! Oh no! An obstacle is waiting for the cars! Oh no! Pancakes are coming from everywhere! Watch out! Matilda is fine. Keep racing, Super Truck! Looks like Edna and Brooke are unstoppable. This is getting more exciting. A fire circle? This is getting harder. What's wrong with Edna? Nice move! Oh! Edna, it's the open bridge you're afraid of, aren't you? Don't worry, Super Truck is going to secure you using the tow rope. Brooke and Crocomile must have arrived at the finish line by now. Oh, wait! You still have a chance! Lose or win, friendship comes first. Looks like Matilda and Marley are back! You were cheating, Crocomile! Super Truck, you lost the race, but won your friend's respect.